If you are an SEBI grade A aspirant and if you are thinking after notification आप SEBI grade A 2024 के लिए प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं, here's a great opportunity. This is our SEBI grade A 2024 क्रैश कोर्स. इस क्रैश कोर्स में आपको क्या मिलेगा? You will get 60 plus revision videos as well as 50 plus MCQ videos and complete coverage videos also which are recorded in nature. complete आपके रिवीजन वीडियोस लाइव रहेंगे, आपके MCQ सेशंस लाइव रहेंगे और बाकी के जो सिलेबस कवरेज होगा दैट वुड बी रिकॉर्डेड इन नेचर. इसके अलावा नोट्स, मॉक टेस्ट, एवरीथिंग हैज बीन इंक्लूडेड. गो एंड चेक आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स, perfectly made for all the students who have not started their preparation or maybe they want to revise their preparation. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to Olive Board. Welcome to the session where we are going to talk about how to cover your SEBI syllabus in general stream. As far as the syllabus is concerned, that's not changed, but yes, there is a little change that can make or break your this attempt, and that's with respect to the timings. But then in this very session we are going to discuss how to tackle your RBI and your SEBI together, because I hope all of you who are giving SEBI will also be giving your RBI. That's more probable. And the other thing is RBI you might be doing a preparation that for which your finance management and a small portion of your economics, they are somewhat similar. So let's first see that what is there in your phase 1 preparation. When I talk about phase 1, you have QRE as well as general awareness. See, in English for phase 1, phase 2, it's very simple. It's not that tough in your phase 1 or your phase 2, which is descriptive. You have to cover press A, essay and reading comprehension or letter writing. That I feel it's easy, because that's not you must be very much scared of. You'll be able to do this. Just do one thing, practice. Apart from this, if we talk about quant and reasoning, it's easier. It's way easier than your RBI. So I hope here also you will not find anything which is tough. You'll be able to cater to that. The other thing is your general awareness. In your general awareness, for the time being, I would say try to focus on 3 months. Once done, 4 months. Now, what all general awareness topics you have to read? Read your RBI circulars, SEBI circulars, PFRDA if they have come up with some notification. All these circulars are definitely important. Apart from this, if any news was there with respect to finance, economy, something like that, and business standards and other. In PIB also, if Ministry of Finance has bought something, some schemes which are specifically there from Ministry of Finance side or Ministry of Commerce or something like that, MSME related, so that you have to cover. Apart from this, if you see the cutoff is just 30%, 100 marks, 30%. That means it's way easier. It will not be very tough. If you are giving mocks attentively, that will be very easy. Now the main challenge is your paper 2, where you'll be having 6 subjects, and that's where the major challenge lies. If you see the commerce and accountancy, then finance management, costing, Companies Act, economics, that's pretty a huge amount of topic that you need to cover. But then if you see your phase 1 as well as your phase 2 preparation, the topics remain same. It will be just that the level of questions will be raised. So that's where you have to focus. Level agar badega, then ideally what you should be doing is, for the time being, because we have how many days from now, we'll take 40 days. Let's not take 45 days. To be on the safer side, let's take 40 days. In the next 40 days, for your phase 1 with respect to the 6 topics, 7 topics, ideally you should do finance, management, costing and accountancy, companies law. Try to cover these 4 as much as you can. I'll tell you, इसमें से भी कौन से topic पहले cover करो. But then yes, इन चारों topics को cover कर लो, जिसमें finance or management you would have already covered for your RBI. Economics में selectively you need to study. Selectively means only because RBI में again fiscal policy, monetary policy, national income accounting, ये topics already वहाँ पर भी हैं. So you'll be able to cover them, at least revise them, practice MCQs. MCQ practice will be the must. So once you are done with these 4, 5, maybe 4.5 topics, then after phase 1 there will be roughly 25-30 days period, which is also I feel is less, because there will be an added pressure कि phase 1 में clear होगा नहीं होगा. So all of this will genuinely create pressure. So what you need to do is, for your phase 2 preparation, whatever will be left, we'll be covering it. But then If I talk about phase 2, here also you will be having cutoff 30%, 40%. The change that they have done is in this. They have increased the duration. So what I am expecting is this year numericals. They are not, this year either, obviously the level of examination will be raised, numericals can also come. So maybe that from that point of view, they might have increased the duration. One more thing, the recently, if you see the pattern of the recent exam that have happened of JIIB, in that also it was seen that the paper was a little bit difficult side. So we are expecting a similar pattern for the SEBI exam as well. But then, if we see the last year cutoffs, out of 200 marks, the cutoff was roughly around 65 to 72 marks, which is very less. I believe, this is way doable. So in last 2 years, if we compare, one time it was 65, then the other was something like 71. So means doable. Out of 200 marks, this much, it's okay. If the papers, the level is going to increase, then definitely cutoff will be varying accordingly. But then, you must do your best. You should not leave anything upon, dekh lenge exam. That's not going to work much. Next thing is syllabus. If we talk about the syllabus, as I have told you, commerce and accountancy, the very first chapter. See, though accountancy is also there in your RBI syllabus, but here it's a full-fledged chapter which has to be dealt with numericals. So if I talk about this thing, if you want to revise it, then para number B, the pointer B is very important. D and E, you can do it after phase 1 because these are pretty tough. They will require more time. So if you do not have time as of now, try to cover A, B, C portion first. D and E you can cover after your phase 1 ends. 2 to 3 questions are coming from accountancy which are very easy and very easily doable as well. So, even if the numerical comes, it's very much doable. So, try to focus upon commerce and accountancy and starting from option number B, then A, and that's how you can cover. The other thing is the management part. If we talk about the management, look at the syllabus. It's same as your RBI. If you have already prepared for RBI, this will be a cakewalk. Merely in 2 days time, you will be able to revise all your management part. But if not, then also start focusing upon management. This is very important and easy as well because it's theoretical. Try to practice more and more MCQs that are going to help you out. Moving ahead with respect to finance part, again finance syllabus, it's almost similar. It's same, you would say, with your RBI because it's same. You should try to, you might have already covered, at least try to revise it. If you are not revising it, if you are starting it afresh, then I would say start from this primary, secondary markets because questions, MCQ questions have been asked from this topic. Then go with this derivatives, direct, indirect taxes, inflation and all. This topic, BCD, these topics are more relevant for descriptive answer writing. That's why, even in RBI syllabus, questions have been asked from this portion. But then, even if they are asking you about financial inclusion or use of technology, let's say the scores that was released, scores 2.0 released. So that can be covered in your current affairs portion only. By that ways, I would suggest you try to read this A from this 2 parts, from second part A portion, then third ka A, E and F. And then definitely, role of functions of regulatory bodies. You must know about SEBI. That's very usual to ask for it, right? Moving ahead, if we talk about costing, see, if you are new to it, you haven't read it, then yes, it will be very tough for you to start. But then if we talk about this 4th portion, para number 4, it's theoretical, it's important as well. MCQs have been asked. You'll be able to cover this if you, sit and study for 1 day, maybe 2 days. In 1 to 2 days, you will be able to complete it. But then, one thing you have to be sure of, 1 घंटा दिन में बैठ के काम नहीं चलेगा. You should actually dedicatedly, you have to sit for 5 to 6 hours at least to excel this exam. Otherwise, if I talk about option number 2 and 3, numericals can be asked this time. That's why I am highlighting this, that अगर phase 1 से पहले numerical practice कर पाओ, very good. Otherwise, definitely whatever will be left in that 25-30 days, you have to practice numericals this time. Numericals can come. There are high chances. Okay, moving ahead, Companies Act, all the chapters, they are very theoretical. Too much questions have been asked. You have to cover them all. All chapters have to be covered. I would ideally say, इसको जल्दी से पढ़ के try and solve more and more MCQs. Because ये theoretical topic है. इसको याद कर पाना, it can be a little bit challenging. Questions twist करना, it will be very easy for the examiner. So MCQs are going to help you out. That will be very easy for you to do. The next thing is economics. If I talk about economics, this topic, demand, supply, market structure, national economy, this is what you have already done. So if you have already done with in your RBI, it will be easy. It will be not very much tough for you. The other thing is this part, balance of payment, foreign exchange, inflation, monetary fiscal policy, banking, financial institutions. Again, this is just a repetition of what you have done in your RBI. So again, it will be very easy. Now, what you have to do is economics, this A portion, B portion, cover it. Otherwise, you can cover these portions, whatever is left, like your ISLM curve. I'm not saying the questions have not come from here, but definitely you can leave it for your phase 1 if you are not able to do it before your phase 1. But then yes, you have to cover it for your phase 2. Questions can come this time because they have increased the duration. It can happen that the number of questions will be increased. Now, if the number of questions are increasing, that means the weightage, earlier it was just 8 to 9 questions that were coming from this topic, typically from last 2 years if I say. But then, number of questions can be increased as well. So that's it from your syllabus point of view. If you want, we can have a dedicated session on timetable as well. But then what do you want from our end, that you have to write down in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.